Welcome back. You're still watching Weekend Live on SABC2. Now, in today's weekly slot of our celebrations of buildings and architecture, architect Enrico de Alfonsenca takes us to the 12 Decades Art Building, art hotel rather, in the CBD, which forms part of the Arts on Main complex. For him, the way the building merges art and architecture is the strongest feature of the structure.
We are in Johannesburg, the most exciting city in Africa, and we are in the precinct of Maboneng. We are now in one of those buildings. It's called Main Street Life. It fits between Main Street and Fox Street in the east of the Johannesburg CBD, and is a mixed-use building. Part of this building is the 12 Decades Hotel. The name of the hotel comes after the history of Johannesburg, which is only about 12 decades old, the recent history that is, and so each room is themed after a decade, from 1886 to 2006, and each room has been given to a different designer or artist or architect, or to a person who for some reason is relevant for a specific decade and can express the decade in a very interesting and stimulating way. Perpetual Liberty is the room dealing with the most recent decade, so it deals with the liberation that happened in South Africa, the opening up of the minds and the souls and the economy and social behavior that happened, let's say, from the elections of the mid-90s up to 2006. So the room is divided into two areas. One is darker and is kind of at the back of the room and is kind of a bit more enclosed, and the other one towards the front, toward the window, is completely open and full of light, and kind of that symbolizes a progressive movement from darkness to light, from closeness to openness, from barrier to transparency. Marabi is about a specific period of Johannesburg history when it was the period of Sophiatown, the period of jazz, and so everything in that room is themed, with photographs and furniture about that, and it's about a special type of dance and music that was happening at the time. So people staying in each of this room can experience it, kind of either be thrown back in the period that we're talking about, or on a more conceptual level, they can actually think about what the room is about and what the decade is about. And the roof has been kitted out with various facilities like a boxing gym and a bar and a sculpture park and a yoga area. So it's a very, very large area that can be used for a lot of activities by both people that live in the building and people that visit. Well, I think it's always very exciting to see a part of downtown Johannesburg being renovated and being given a breath of new life. It's really a building where the use and the meaning and the layering of the activities is what makes it so unique. And so there's a very successful integration, I think, between art and architecture in the building.